In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Robinhood app. Keeping your app updated is crucial. It ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Today, we will focus on updating the app on Android using the Google Play Store. First, let's open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the main hub for downloading and updating apps. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you open it, you're ready for the next step. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your Google account and gives you access to a variety of settings and options. Tapping it will open a menu with several choices. From there, select Manage Apps and Device. This section is where you can see all the apps installed on your device. It allows you to manage them efficiently. It's important because it helps you keep track of app updates and storage usage. Next up, tap Updates Available. This option shows you a list of apps that have updates ready to be installed. Keeping an eye on this list ensures that your apps remain current and functioning properly. After you tap it, you'll see a list of apps needing updates. Find the Robinhood app on the list. Apps are usually listed alphabetically, so this should be straightforward. Locating the app among others is essential as it ensures you're updating the right application. Once you spot it, you're almost there. Tap Update next to the Robinhood app. This action will initiate the download and installation of the latest version. Don't worry, this usually happens quickly depending on your internet speed. This step is crucial because it makes sure your app is up to date. Alternatively, you can choose Update All to update all your apps at once. This can save you time if multiple apps need updates. It's a handy option to keep everything current without individual attention. Once updates are complete, you can rest assured your apps are up to date. After you've updated the app, consider turning on automatic updates. This feature allows your device to update apps automatically in the future, so you don't have to worry about doing it manually each time. It's a great way to ensure your apps are always equipped with the latest improvements. To turn on automatic updates, go back to the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon again. From there, head into Settings, where you'll find various options for customizing your Play Store experience. In the Settings menu, tap on Network Preferences. This section lets you manage how updates and downloads occur on your device. It's important to understand these options because they affect data usage and update behavior. Select Auto Update Apps to enable automatic updates. You can choose to update apps over any network or only over Wi-Fi. If you're concerned about data usage, selecting Wi-Fi only is a wise choice. This ensures that updates don't consume your mobile data unexpectedly. And with that, your Robinhood app will stay updated automatically. This means you'll always have the latest features and security enhancements without lifting a finger. Remember, keeping your apps updated is a small task that brings great benefits. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.